Welcome back. Today we're tackling the top 10 most asked questions about protein, beyond just muscle building. Ever wondered if protein matters for your brain, or how much you really need from food? We'll break it all down, from basics to myth-busting surprises. My goal: give you clear, evidence-based info you can use to make healthier choices for your body and mind. Grab a protein-rich snack and get comfy. Let's dive in. Let's get into it. Is protein important for your brain? Absolutely. Your brain relies on neurotransmitters, chemical messengers like serotonin and dopamine, to regulate mood, focus, and memory. These neurotransmitters are made from amino acids, which come from the protein you eat. Without enough protein, your brain can't produce these vital chemicals, impacting everything from your mood to your ability to concentrate. Protein also helps build and repair the brain's physical structure, supporting neuroplasticity and cognitive resilience. So, protein isn't just muscle fuel, it's essential for a sharp, healthy mind. Don't overlook it if you want your brain to perform at its best. Protein and amino acids aren't the same thing, but they're deeply connected in how your body works. Understanding the difference can help you make smarter choices about what you eat and how you fuel your body every day. Imagine amino acids as the individual letters of the alphabet, and proteins as the words and sentences you can create with those letters. Just as you need letters to form meaningful words, your body needs amino acids to build the proteins that keep you alive and healthy. There are 20 different amino acids your body uses, and with these, it can create thousands of unique proteins. Each protein has a special job. Some help build muscle, others support your immune system, and some even help your body digest food or send signals in your brain. Out of these 20 amino acids, 9 are called essential, because your body can't make them on its own. You have to get them from the foods you eat, like eggs, meat, dairy, and certain plant-based sources. The other 11 amino acids are non-essential, meaning your body can usually make them by itself, unless you're under stress, sick, or not eating enough of the right foods. Foods like meat, eggs, and dairy are called complete proteins, because they contain all 9 essential amino acids in the right amounts your body needs. Many plant-based foods, like beans, nuts, and grains, have some but not all essential amino acids. That's why it's important to eat a variety of plant foods, like rice and beans together, to get the full set your body needs. When you eat protein, your body breaks it down into its amino acid building blocks during digestion. Then, your body reassembles those amino acids into new proteins, depending on what you need at the moment, whether it's building muscle after a workout, repairing tissues, making enzymes, or creating neurotransmitters for your brain. So, it's not just about eating enough protein, but about getting the right mix of amino acids from a variety of foods. This balance is key for energy, recovery, and overall health. That's the real secret to fueling your body, choosing foods that give you all the amino acids you need to thrive every single day. When you take a bite of protein-rich food like chicken, steak, or eggs, your body immediately gets to work. Digestion begins in your stomach, where powerful gastric acid creates an acidic environment. Here, the enzyme pepsin is activated by the acid. Pepsin's job is to unravel the tightly coiled protein molecules, breaking them down into smaller chains called peptides. This process is essential, as it transforms large, complex proteins into forms your body can actually use. After this initial breakdown, the partially digested protein travels from your stomach into your small intestine. Here, specialized enzymes released by your pancreas, such as trypsin and chymotrypsin, continue the process, chopping the peptides into even smaller pieces, individual amino acids. These amino acids are then absorbed through the walls of your small intestine and enter your bloodstream. Once in your blood, they're delivered to every part of your body: your muscles for repair and growth, your brain for neurotransmitter production, or even used as a source of energy if needed. The liver acts as a central hub, sorting and distributing these amino acids based on your body's current needs. It decides whether to send them to build new cells, repair tissues, or support vital functions. If you consume more protein than your body needs at the moment, the excess can be converted into energy, or, if not used, stored as fat for later. This entire process is incredibly efficient, ensuring your body always has the building blocks it needs to stay strong, healthy, and energized. So, every bite of protein you eat embarks on a complex journey. being broken down, absorbed, and rebuilt into the very fabric of your body, from your muscles to your hair, and even your immune system. That's why it's important to choose a variety of high-quality protein sources, like lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and tofu, to give your body a full range of essential amino acids. Remember, your body is constantly rebuilding and renewing itself, so give it the right tools by fueling up with nutritious, protein-rich foods every day. Eggs are a protein powerhouse. One large egg packs about 6 grams of high-quality complete protein, meaning it has all 9 essential amino acids. Egg protein is so efficient, it's the gold standard for measuring other proteins. Both the yolk and white contain protein, but the yolk also delivers nutrients like choline, vital for brain health. 2 eggs at breakfast give you 12 grams of protein, helping you feel full and energized. Eggs are affordable, versatile, and easy to prepare. Unless you have an allergy, they're one of the best ways to boost your protein intake. Don't skip the yolk, it's packed with benefits. During pregnancy, protein needs jump. Your body is building a new human. Protein is crucial for fetal growth, especially the brain, and for supporting the placenta and expanding maternal tissues. Most pregnant women need about 25 extra grams of protein daily. Inadequate protein can risk low birth weight and developmental issues. Focus on high-quality sources, lean meats, eggs, dairy, or, for plant-based diets, a mix of beans, lentils, tofu, and grains. Protein isn't just a nutrient, it's the foundation for a healthy mom and baby. Prioritize it every day. Protein is your body's repair crew. After exercise, injury, or surgery, your body uses amino acids to rebuild muscle, skin, and other tissues. This is why athletes and patients recovering from surgery need more protein. Without enough, healing slows and your immune system weakens. Hospitals often prescribe high-protein diets for recovery. Even your immune system's antibodies are made of protein. Whether it's a paper cut or a marathon, protein speeds up recovery. Don't skimp on it when your body's under stress. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It's the glue holding everything together. It's found in skin, joints, bones, and blood vessels, providing strength and elasticity. As you age, collagen production drops, leading to wrinkles and joint stiffness. Collagen supplements, usually from animal sources, provide specific amino acids your body uses to rebuild its own collagen. Research suggests collagen peptides may improve skin hydration, joint health, and bone strength. It's not a miracle cure, but it can support your body's structure as you age. Collagen is a different kind of protein, but just as important. Consider it if you want to support your skin and joints. Worried that cooking ruins protein? Don't be. Cooking denatures protein, unfolding its structure, making it easier to digest and absorb. In fact, cooked protein is more bioavailable than raw. However, extreme high-heat methods like charring can slightly reduce protein quality and create unwanted compounds. Normal cooking is beneficial. It kills bacteria and helps your body use protein efficiently. Just avoid burning your food to a crisp. Cook smart for the best nutrition. Plant-based protein powders have come a long way in recent years, both in terms of taste and nutritional quality. Once considered inferior to animal-based options, they're now a popular choice for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone looking to boost their protein intake with plant-based sources. While single plant proteins, like pea or rice alone, may lack some essential amino acids, most modern powders are carefully formulated blends, such as combining pea and rice proteins, to create a complete amino acid profile that rivals animal-based proteins. Research shows that, when you match the total protein content, plant-based blends can be just as effective as whey protein for supporting muscle growth, strength gains, and recovery after exercise. This means you don't have to compromise your results if you choose a plant-based option. It's true that plant-based powders may digest a bit slower than whey, but for most people, this isn't a drawback. In fact, slower digestion can help you feel fuller for longer, which may be helpful if you're trying to manage your appetite or support weight goals. Plant-based protein powders are an excellent option for vegans, people with dairy allergies or intolerances, or anyone who simply wants to include more plant foods in their diet for health or environmental reasons. When choosing a plant-based protein powder, always check the label to ensure it contains a complete amino acid blend, so you're getting all the building blocks your body needs. Whether you prefer plant or animal sources, the most important thing is to get enough high-quality protein in your diet to support your health, fitness, and recovery goals. Ultimately, the best protein powder is the one that fits your needs, tastes good to you, and aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. Try different options and see what works best for you. Animal foods are more protein-dense. 100 g of chicken has about 31 g protein, beef, 26 g salmon, 25 g, and eggs 13 g per 100 g. Plant sources are less concentrated. 100 g of lentils has 9 dried chickpeas, 8 dry tofu, 17 dry, and quinoa 4 dry. Plant-based eaters need to eat larger portions and combine sources to meet protein needs. The upside? Plants come with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Both diets can work, just plan accordingly. If you eat meat, a single serving covers a lot. If you're plant-based, include protein at every meal and snack. It's about balance, not perfection. Protein isn't just for muscles, it's vital for your brain, recovery, and overall health. Know your needs and choose high-quality sources, whether animal or plant-based. Prioritize protein for a stronger, sharper, healthier you. What surprised you most about protein? Drop a comment below. Like na perpane non de sobrang bulay. Subscribe. And stay healthy. See you next time.